The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Malaysian ABC soup is the ultimate comfort dish for tired or unwell families. Named for its simplicity and its vitamins A, B, and C, this recipe is a staple for young adults learning to cook. True to tradition, Lee Suk Ching's version requires no fuss. Chicken, pumpkin, carrot, potato, and onion simmer together with crushed white peppercorns. The result is a golden, naturally sweet broth with a mild peppery kick and tender vegetables. A wholesome, warming meal ready in under an hour. The soup: stock 1 5 liters as desired. Chicken meat 1 cup diced into 1 cm pieces as desired. White peppercorns 8 crushed lightly as desired. Pumpkin 1 cup skinned and diced into 1 5 cm cubes as desired. Carrot 1 cup skinned and diced into 1 5 cm cubes as desired. Potato 1 cup skinned and diced into 1 5 cm cubes as desired. Bombay onion 1 diced as desired. Celery 1 stick diced as desired. Salt to taste as desired. For garnishing, spring onion 1 chopped as desired. Coriander leaves 1 sprig chopped as desired. Optional quick meal addition: macaroni 2 tablespoons boiled separately in salted water for 10 minutes and drained as desired. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps: 1. Prepare the chicken. Dice the chicken meat into uniform 1 cm pieces so that every spoonful holds a tender morsel of meat. Bone-in pieces or a chicken carcass will give a richer broth, as Michelle Yip emphasizes. In Malaysia, the soup is typically made with a whole raw chicken carcass alongside meaty bone-in parts. If you are using bone-in chicken, leave the pieces larger. The bones will deepen the flavor as the soup simmers. For Lee Suk Ching's quick home version, boneless diced chicken is perfectly fine. 2. Crush the peppercorns. Place the white peppercorns in a mortar and crush them lightly. You want them cracked open, not ground to powder. Lightly crushed peppercorns release their earthy, warming aroma into the broth without making it harsh. This is the quiet backbone of the soup seasoning. Dice the vegetables. Skin the pumpkin, carrot, and potato and dice them all into uniform 1 5 cm cubes. Keeping the dice consistent ensures every vegetable cooks through evenly in the same time. Dice the Bombay onion and, if using, the celery stick. If you are not cooking the potatoes immediately, keep them submerged in a bowl of water so they do not discolor. Lee Suk Ching marks the pumpkin and celery as optional, but they add a lovely sweetness and aroma. Michelle Yip's cross-reference likewise celebrates how each vegetable contributes its own character to the broth. Cooking steps: 1. Start the broth. Pour the 1 5 liters of stock into a large saucepan. Add the diced chicken meat and the lightly crushed white peppercorns. Place the pan over high heat and bring it to the boil. As soon as it boils, lower the heat and let it simmer gently for 10 minutes. This first simmer gives the chicken time to cook through and begins drawing its flavor into the stock. 2. Add all the vegetables. Tip in the diced pumpkin, carrot, potato, Bombay onion, and celery all at once. This is the spirit of ABC soup, where everything goes into the pot together. Bring the soup back up to the boil. Once it boils again, turn the heat down to a steady simmer and cook for another 20 minutes until the vegetables are tender but still holding their shape. The potato and pumpkin will soften just enough to cloud the broth golden and lend it a gentle, natural sweetness. Season and garnish. Taste the soup and season with salt to taste. Start with about 1/2 teaspoon and adjust upward. Michelle Yip suggests soy sauce as an alternative finisher for a deeper, savory note. Ladle the hot soup into bowls and garnish each serving with chopped spring onion and coriander leaves. Serve immediately while steaming hot. 4. Optional quick meal. For a more filling, 1-bowl meal, boil 2 tablespoons of macaroni in salted water for 10 minutes, drain it well, and add the cooked macaroni to each bowl before ladling the soup over the top. The pasta soaks up the golden broth and turns the soup into a light, nourishing main course.